Hello everyone, my name is Adong. We are currently at the Volferda factory. Behind me is the Volferda capsulehouse E6. It's 8.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high, featuring a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. As we enter, the left wall features the full house lighting control panel. In the middle, there's a bar counter, and to the right is the bedroom. The bedroom is over 5 meters in length and over 3 meters in width, allowing for a comfortable king-size bed. There's also space at the front where you can add a tea table or a sofa. This main bedroom comes equipped with several appliances like central air conditioning and electric curtains, which are optional features. Here in the room, there's a retractable window with a mosquito screen, perfect for letting fresh air in while keeping bugs out. The surrounding glass is made of 812 plus 8 millimeters insulated Low-E glass, strong enough to withstand a level 8 typhoon, with excellent soundproofing. The ceiling has a beautiful design with a skylight in the center that allows for great natural lighting. At night, you can lie in bed and gaze at the stars. In the middle is a standard bar counter, which can double as a simple kitchen. It comes with a sink for washing vegetables or cooking. Below, there's ample storage space for everyday groceries and kitchenware. At the back, there's a wash area with a wash basin outside where a mirror will be installed. You can complete your daily routine here at the wash basin, with plenty of storage below for personal care items and miscellaneous goods. To the left, there's a large floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with plenty of space to hang clothes. The lower part can store luggage or larger items. The side panels have shelves where you can keep smaller items and clothing. Now, we enter the bathroom, which features a wet and dry separation design. The wall has a storage rack for hanging clothes, with the toilet on the left and the shower on the right. A shower curtain can be used to separate the two areas, and the shower set includes a standard 3-in-1 shower head. The floor has been treated for slip resistance, and the drain is well connected to the sewer system. That's the introduction to the Volferda E6 to 8.5 meters 1-bedroom version.